Hello everyone, I'm Manisha Sinha. Welcome to my video which has been created for the students who are facing the problem to create their account in Google Classroom and joining the class and sharing the files in the respective class. Today I will show you how the class has been made. First of all, everyone should click on the Play Store. Let the Play Store should open. Here, children will going to type Google Classroom. While tapping on it, we can see here Google Classroom. We can install it in our device by clicking on the install button. We have to wait for a few minutes so that it should install in our device. After installing, we have to open by clicking on the open button. Children, you can see it's written over here Google Classroom. Classroom helps classes communicate, save time and stay organized. You have to click on Get Started button. After that, you can see you have to choose the account from which you want to log in. Choosing the account by selecting the radio button and click on OK. It's so simple. Students, you can see the window like this. You can see the plus sign over here on the top of the Google Classroom. When you click on this plus icon, you do have two choices, two options: join class and create class. You have to click on join class. A small window, pop-up window appear on the screen. Here you can see they are asking the class code of respective subject teacher. Every subject teacher must have provided their class code and click on join button. You can see you joined a class. Children, now you can see the window appear on your screen. If you want to share any of the file, click on share with your class option over here and a pop-up window will appear on the screen. You can see a clip icon over here. When we click on this icon, there are many options appear on the screen.